Hey, Kido, the other day you mentioned that Kidobank app.
Yes?
What is it actually about? Huh?
Sure, Hopper, no problem. The app consists of several parts. The first one is a current account. The second one is a savings account, where you can keep your extra money and watch it grow. Then we have the loans section, where you can borrow some money. If you have some extra money, you can also invest it. But let's take it one step at a time. A current account is basically a basic account where you can receive pocket money or rewards for doing chores, and from which you can send money further. For example, right now we have over $71, and I don't need all of it. So I'll send $7 to the savings account like this. Fill in the amount, which is 7, choose where, the savings account, and click the Send Money button. In the savings account, we put away money so it can grow. Right now, there are $529, and you can see that the last $7 were added. It's in the first row. Your parent sets the interest rate for you. Money from the savings account can only be sent to the current account. I'll send $5 and click the Send button. The green color shows that sending the money was successful. In the next section, there are loans. Imagine you want to buy a toy that costs $25, but you don't have enough money. You can borrow the money from your parent with some interest. You set how many payments you want to make. That means how long you'll take to pay it back. You can fill in the reason for the loan, like toy, and click the Request Loan button. Loans add up, and you can see that now you owe $60.
Kido, what about those investments you talked about? What can I buy?
Yes, I'll explain. In investments, you first see how much free cash you have, how big your portfolio is, that's what you own, and whether you're making a profit or a loss. Here you can see exactly what you own. And here's the history of your buys and sells.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff here, ha ha!
Yeah, and in this part, you can see the deposits and withdrawals from your investment account. And finally, the answer to your question. You can buy all kinds of famous stocks, ETFs, and even gold, oil, or Bitcoin. It's all up to you. Now I'll show you how I'm going to buy 12 parts of the S&P 500 ETF. In this field, type the number 12, click the Buy button, and then click the Confirm button. And voila! Look up and you'll see you now own a total of 22 pieces of the S&P 500. It's that easy.
Is investing safe?
Well, it can go up or down. But the money here isn't real, it's just virtual. But you'll learn a lot, and when you grow up, you'll know exactly how to handle real money. And that's what it's all about.